Invest young so that you can retire young. Yan ang pratikong naririnig sa mga so-called financial experts. Meron akong tanong. If you invest young, will you really be able to retire young? Pwede ba yon? Pero ang isa pang struggle ko sa buhay, bakit ba yun ang goal natin? To retire young. When you are young and starting a career, your capacity to earn is small. So the amount you can save is maliit. Therefore, the amount you can invest will even be smaller. Kasi sabi ng mga financial advisor, magtabi ka ng emergency fund sa savings mo and then mag-invest ka. So mas maliit yung pwede mong i-invest. Your earning potential only grows when your ability to make money grows. But this happens over time. You can only invest a lot of money pag bata ka kung nanalo ka sa loto or nakapagmana ka ng maraming pera. Pero kung marami ka ng pera kasi tumama ka sa loto o nakapagmana ka, ba't ka pa kailangan mag-invest? Mag-retire ka na kaagad, di ba? Kasi hindi mo naman kailangan kumita pa kasi marami ka ng pera. But if you are born with just enough, or maybe siguro you were born poor, will you be able to retire young if you invest young? To know kung pwede ba talaga ito, let me show you the ways of the plant kasi naniniwala ako the ways of the plant is the best model to show people ano talaga ang pwede mangyari sa buhay. A plant's life starts from a very simple seed. From the little that it has inside the seed, the plant will now make food from the resources around it. Then it will use the little food that it produces to make more food. Sa simula, mabagal ang paglaki ng tanim. Kasi ang ability niya to make food is also small kasi maliit pa yung roots niya. Pero over time, as it grows its roots bigger and bigger, it will be able to make more food exponentially. Anong ibig sabihin ng exponentially? Ang ibig sabihin ng growing in an exponential manner, every year, the ability of the plant to make food doubles as its roots grow. But before it can produce a substantial amount, it needs time to gain momentum. Kasi it shows that one of the richest man in the world did not make his money overnight, but over time. The chart shows us that Warren Buffett made a lot of money when he was around 40 to 50 years old. Are you better than Warren Buffett? Warren Buffett is known as the best investor in history. He made a lot of money in an exponential manner. Nung simula, medyo mabagal and then he gained momentum. He doubled his money year after year. Pero supposing mas magaling ka kay Warren Buffett, kunwari tumama ka sa loto or nakachamba ka sa investment mo, meron ka ng 20 million by the age of 30. Will that be enough for you to retire? If you live up to 80, will 20 million sustain you for 50 years? Bubuhayin ka ba ng interest niyan? At a 10% interest per annum, 200,000 a year lang ang interest niyan. Will that be enough if you factor in inflation? Alam mo, I know of a boy, the son of a very good friend, who was able to save 5 million pesos when he was 30. So he decided to retire. When he did, he decided to enjoy his life with the savings he accumulated. Namasyal siya, bumili siya ng mga gamit na gusto niya. But after 2 years, he got bored and naubos ang pera niya. Then one day, he decided to return to work and he worked with so much passion, realizing that retiring young was a foolish idea. Alam mo, wala akong problema sa idea that you invest early. Everybody should do that. Ang struggle ko is, do you invest early so that you can retire early? Yung ba talaga dapat ang goal natin sa buhay? Noong naging bilyonaryo si Mark Zuckerberg, by the age of 30, did he retire? Si Warren Buffett is over 80 years old. Is he retired? Bakit ang mga sikat na entrepreneur hindi nagre-retire? Mas magaling ka ba sa kanila? Do you know why they do not retire? Kasi para sa kanila, ang pera is just a tool and a reward. Hindi yun ang goal ng pagninegosyo nila. They do not retire because they enjoy what they are doing. Maski marami ang kumpanya nila. Friends, God created us for work because work can create opportunities to make money and give us a good life. Ulitin ko, there is nothing wrong with investing early. Everybody should do that. But do not let it be your goal to invest early so that you can retire young. People should invest early so that they can build a fruitful and secure future. Sana nabigyan kita ng bagong perspective sa pag-i-invest. Go and invest what you can. But make it also your goal to use whatever you earn from your investment to continue to build a strong future. Sana nakatulong ako sa iyo. Sana rin, kung nakatulong to, share mo sa ibang tao para makatulong din tayo sa kanila. Salamat sa pagpanood and may God bless you.